Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to install Windows 98 from VMware image. Click File, Scan for virtual machines. Browse Windows 98 VMDK file location. Click Power on this virtual machine. Click I copied it. Change time, date and time zone. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.